How you wrap up a cable when you put it away really makes a big difference when you go to pull that cable back out.
So which one of these methods is easier for storage and for usage?
Whether you're a contractor, handyman, or even an outdoor enthusiast, keeping your cords organized and tangle-free, unlike this one, is essential for efficiency and safety. Once your cable is wrapped correctly, the only tool or product you're going to need is something that actually holds it together. So we've chosen to use this strap, which actually has an E-track connector for the cargo trailer, because that's where we need this. So basically, once it's wrapped correctly, we just wrap it around, we attach it up onto the wall. It's got a nifty handle. I pop it out, I can take it where I need it. Very, very easy.
Step 1, prepare your cord to be wrapped. Start with the end of your cord in your dominant hand. If you're right-handed, hold the cable in your left hand. If you're left-handed, hold the cable in your right hand. Create a small overhand loop about 1 to 2 feet with the cord in your dominant hand, allowing the free end to hang down. The next step is to use your dominant hand to create a second loop by bringing the cord under itself, forming another loop of similar size to the first. It looks tricky, but as you do this, the cord should rest on the top of your forearm as you complete this. Top of your forearm. Back, twisting, top of your forearm. This is by far the most complicated task of wrapping the cord up. Take your time and repeat it over and over. Alternate between creating overhand and underhand loops, ensuring that each loop is roughly the same size. As you continue wrapping, maintain gentle tension on the cord to keep the loops neat and tight. This will take some focus, but remember to keep going over and then under. Once you get the hang of doing the over and under loops, the most difficult part after that really is just keeping things in the right size, but you just need to keep practicing, and if you're using lighter extension cords, it's a lot easier than heavier extension cords. When you reach the end of the cord, create a final loop as you did at the beginning to secure the bundle.
Once you have it all together, it's easy to go ahead and put your cable holder on it. And then what we can do is go put it into our E-track. Makes it easy, carry it around with you. But you know, the best part about this is that it actually unravels easy too.
When you go to unravel your cord, this is where you see the benefits of your labor. You can unravel the cord without any kinks or any knots.
With the over-underhand technique in your arsenal, you'll say goodbye to frustrating kinks and tangles and hello to effortlessly organized cables every time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips and tricks.
For more DIY information, check out our website at www.befreebenson.com. Remember, doing things yourself allows you to save money and allows you to be free. See you in the next project.